Hello everyone, I'm Farah Imran and today I'll show you the website or the project that I've done, which is called a calculator. I made a simple calculator and this is also the task 3 of CoachSoft. So let's get started. Again, I've added the HTML boilerplate which you can download from the extension. In the title I wrote as calculator. I've added the link, this code for adding or like you can say adding the style sheet. Now style sheet, this is the style sheet. So style sheet is it's style.css, and what it does, it actually adds the color or something, like to make decorative or to add some decoration to the website, you add css. So this is for styling and designing also. So here I made a container which is called div. It's a class is equal to container. Inside I'm again made another div. Inside there's a form. Here now input type is equal to text and name is display. I wrote as read only. Why? Because see, I added a display, so when I click on any button, because calculator you see there's a display, so you can't type on anything. Like on the display you can write anything on it, so I made it read only. It should be read only. See here, open with live server. Yep, here. So if I like type on any button, now this here is the display. Like if I now it's the read only, you can write anything on it. But if there's no read only, like if I remove it, for example here I remove it and I save it by command save or control S. So here, open with live server, and you see that you can add things on it, which is not a good thing for a calculator, because calculator display it's read only. It doesn't, don't write anything on it. So now I'll again add read only here. Okay, so here you can say I've added an input type button where value is AC. First I'll tell you about the numbers and thing, then I'll tell you about this. Okay, so here in dot, what it says that it will display dot value plus is equal to dot. So when you click on this dot button, so this value dot will come on the display. So it says like name is display, so display dot value, it will be added. Like see, if you say that display dot value just equal to dot, so what will happen, the dot thing will come. For example, what you have written before, that will be erased and just dot will come, and you can add like more times. So if you write plus equal to dot, so whatever is added already will be, that dot will be added to it. So that's why plus equal to is written. Now here dash, this is for the division. Here I did the same thing for the numbers. Everything is the same, like plus equal to. But for AC, now this value AC, have you seen in this button AC, when you click on it, everything gets erased. Now whatever you have written, it gets erased, like all at once it gets erased. So here I wrote as display dot value is equal to space, like nothing, like it's a nothing thing, or it can say empty. So when I whatever written before, that empty will come, like it will get erased. Now this DE, what it does, now this is, it happens when you click on it, just one last number that we have added already will be removed, like one number will be removed. So here I added like displayed of value is equal to displayed of value dot to string, because it will be added, like whatever value is there, it will be converted to string, and then we can slice it. If it's not a string, you cannot slice it, or you cannot use the slice function. Now what the slice function does, it will like check from the right side, because it says 0 to -1, so it checks from the right side one number and then it deletes it. So here what it has done, after that there's an equal. Now what it does, here there's this thing called eval is for evaluating, or like for calculating. So eval, what it does, whatever you have added in the display, that will be evaluated. So that is the equal button does. That's why I've added the eval button. Now in the style.css, here the star is for everything. Like for every element, we say that the margin is 0, padding is 0. Now why do we do this? In the website, if you see that when the margin and padding is not 0, you see that whatever color you add, now there you see some white space on it. You see some white space. That's why it comes. Okay, so here, now this, now I've added like the dot container is for the body, which I added the color. So this color, okay. Yep, this background color is for the dot container. Okay, here dot cal. Now what is dot cal? Here you can say, now which is the class of it? Dot cal, where is it? Yep, here it's for the whole div. So dot cal, what it does, here the background is added as this color. It's some dark blue color, and padding is 20 pixel. So this dark blue color is added. Now this, on this whole calculator, this dark blue color is added. And then after that, now here it says dot cal form input. Now what is the form input? So this class, and inside this class the form input. So this form and the input, so all of the input, these are like applied. So here you see that the border is 0, outline is 0, width is 60 pixels, and here the box shadow, what it does, the box shadow, you can see what it does. This, it will add the shadow to it. So you can see this something like shadowish thing, like you can see some dark color around it. So this is because of the box shadow. And then after that, for the form, you can say that, okay, for the input, it gives some light color. So what is the input? The form input dot op. So now dot op is for the AC and DE. For these two, the colors will be light, and for the rest, it will be white color. So for the form output, the color is white. So all the numbers on it will be white color, and these two will be the light, it's a teal color, I guess. Yep, it's teal color. So this color will be added. So for example, now how is that added? Like if I add 5 minus 3 and I say equal, so eval function will be activated, so it becomes 2. Yeah, and if we click on AC, yep, and if I say 5, 6, 8, 9, and then AC, yep, and 5, 7, 8 dot 9, if you say DE, yep, this one digit will be deleted. 0, 0, yep, these two zeros will come on it. Plus 6, 3, 5, 8. Well, yep, it's working. The calculator is working fine. And that's all from my side. Thank you so much for watching.